What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this guide, I'll be showing you spot removal. For this, we'll need to head across to Hogsmeade and travel up north to the Dogweed and Deathcap shop. Just outside, you'll be able to start the mission.
Hello, is there something I can help you with?
How do you do? I'm Sacharissa, and I have an exciting business proposition for you. Now, it may surprise you to learn that someone of my obvious esteemed lineage would be in business. But I only want to help the less fortunate.
Incredibly nice of you.
Oh, there's more. You see, I've been experimenting with a new beauty cream. A cream that will rid our glorious school of the hideous, greasy pustules plaguing our poor pubescent classmates. But I've run out of the key ingredient, Bubotuber pus. Bubotubers do grow in the Forbidden Forest, however. If only I could pay someone to collect a few for me.
I can try and find some for you if I have the time.
Marvellous. I'd go myself, but I don't want to. I only need a few Bubotubers, but they grow wild, so you'll have to look around. Our spotty classmates are counting on you, so you mustn't tarry.
For this, we'll need to head to the Forbidden Forest north of Hogsmeade. So, world map. Moving across, here's where we'll need to head. You may or may not have a flue flame nearby to teleport to save some time. Teleporting closer, we'll take off and fly over there. Landing here.
Now, where are those Bubotubers?
In here we have a forest troll. And there we go, right at the back here in this section, we found them. And here's another one. Using Revelio, there's no other ones nearby. Just outside, there's a tree here, where this cave entrance is, and behind it is another one, if we can get to it. There we go. Over here, another one. And just using Revelio, you'll see they're pretty much all over the place.
I'd better get back to Sacharissa now.
So I'll open the map and head back. So Hogsmeade and back up north here.
Sacharissa, I found the Bubotubers you needed.
Splendid. I hope it wasn't too much trouble. May I have them?
Of course. Happy to have found them for you.
Thank you. And your payment, of course. Now I can begin perfecting my potion to save our poor pimply peers. Don't know who should be more grateful, I or our unsightly spotty classmates.
There we go. We've now finished
The visiting world will know my name.
spot removal. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.